good, looking good. Almost there, we're gonna get another one in. Probably get maybe one more in, maybe two, we'll see. I got stuff to do, so let's get it. Let's get it. Good. Which y'all don't see on that, besides on the camera. I probably put in about 1 or 2 workouts a day, split them up. I already got one in earlier this morning, but I knew I had to be on live with y'all today, so again. Good. Same exact way. You ever did pull down machines and come down? Boom, behind your neck. Same way. Come on, man. Helps to eliminate a lot of the chest. So get them traps in, all that. We got closed. Shout out to Hannibal Burrs. First time I ever saw the closed joints. Yeah, I used to do them back in the day. I said, baby, I'm old. Like old. I'm mature. But that's why I started doing a lot of those at the beginning to build up my strength in my wrists, my grip, my forms. Best thing I ever did, man. Shout out to Hannibal, man. You always gay. You get your flowers all the time, man. OG, man. Woo! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Not bad. You know what? Y'all get the gist of the workout. Not bad workout. I really do want to thank everybody that, I say a lot, I really do appreciate everybody that jumps on these lives, man. It means a lot to me to share my journey with you guys. And for y'all to learn a little bit, because it took me a while to learn these things. Now I'm teaching other people. Been a trainer for a while. And it's a blessing every day to help people take care of the temple that God gave them. It's an honor for you guys to always come to my lives. I really appreciate it, even if I have from 0 people to when I have 1,000 people on here, because it's coming. So coming means that 1,000 people are going to be on here, because I want to be able to teach as many people as I can if I leave this earth, how they be able to take care of their temple and not subdue themselves to gluttony, one of the worst sins that you can be able to do on this earth. One of them, not all of them, so not the worst one. So again, I want to always say this.